Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Goodbudget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Goodbudget app on your device, and after logging into your account, you will end up within the envelope's dashboard. Now, if you wish to change your password, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Manage Household on the web. And now this will open up the Goodbudget website on your browser. Now within this page, you will see the change your password option. Just type in your current password within the first box in order to confirm your identity. Then you can simply type in your desired new password underneath within the new password box. After this, tap on the save button underneath, and now your account password has been changed successfully. In order to confirm this, tap on the logout button and once again proceed with logging in by entering your new password along with your original email address. Then just tap on the login button, and now you can log in successfully using your new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Goodbudget application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.